In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your LinkedIn profile public. Let's dive in and get started right away. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to linkedin.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. You can do this using Google or Microsoft if that's more convenient for you, or simply by entering your email address and password. Now, if you have two-factor authentication enabled on your account, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify. They'll send a code to your registered phone number, and you'll need to enter that code to proceed. This step is essential in ensuring that your account remains secure, even as you make it more accessible. After you've successfully logged in, you'll want to locate your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This area is your go-to for adjusting various aspects of your account, including its visibility settings. Now, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar and click on the option labeled Visibility. This section allows you to control how much of your profile is visible to people who are not directly connected with you on LinkedIn. Here, you'll want to look for the Edit Your Public Profile section. It's usually found within the visibility settings. Once you locate it, click on this section to access more detailed options for your public profile. You'll see a toggle switch next to your profile's public visibility. Simply switch it to the On position. By doing so, you are enabling others outside of your LinkedIn connections to view your profile. Why is this important? It's an excellent way to increase your online presence and let potential employers or collaborators find you more easily. Once you've switched the toggle, you don't need to worry about saving these changes manually, as LinkedIn automatically saves any updates you make in this section. Just like that, your profile's visibility is increased, enabling people who search for you to find and view your profile more comprehensively. It's a simple process, but one that can have a big impact on your professional visibility and networking opportunities. Remember, making your profile public means more than just being discoverable. It's about presenting yourself in a professional light to potential contacts or opportunities. By ensuring that your profile is tailored to showcase your skills and experience, you're opening the door to new and exciting possibilities. So, take a moment to review your public profile and make any additional tweaks to ensure it reflects the best version of your professional self. By following these easy steps, you've successfully made your LinkedIn profile public. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.